The Dolby charging dock for Nintendo Switch, Joy-Con, and Pro controllers. Right. You can see some of these specifications on here. 4 Joy-Con controls at the same time, or 1 Pro controller and 2 Joy-Cons. The Type-C adapter, both for the USB cable there and for that charging. So this is a USB-C charging dock that can either charge 4 controllers, 2 on each side. You also have a USB-C where you can charge your Switch or a Pro controller. So now I've seen pictures of it with a Switch on here, but I don't know if that's the best thing to do, but you certainly can do the Pro controllers and your 2 Joy-Cons at the same time. So as you can see here, the slots are similar to the Joy-Con connector here. So all you have to do is go ahead and slide that right in. And what will happen is these lights here will be red if it is not charged and turn green once it's charged. And of course, mine are charged because I've also been testing this. So I'm going to move them around because I do have this extra fit piece on here, which is a little bulged out. So you have to put them on that way. All right. As you can see, you might have saw that flickered because it goes from green to red. Same on here. You take your USB-C connector and just place that onto there. Of course, the nice thing with USB-C is it can go on either way. So it's very nice for the Pro controller. And like I said, they're pretty bright green right now, and they will be red when you first connect a device that needs a charge, and then they will turn green once they are fully charged, as they are now. We can turn off the lights, and you can see that it is pretty nice illuminated there. All right, it's really doing a great job. It's charging pretty quick. You don't get an AC adapter with this. You will just get the USB-C cable, so you will have to plug that into a transformer that you have on your own. It doesn't say what the maximum power is on it, so I guess if you're plugging it like in a computer that's 0.5 amps, it's going to take a lot longer to charge than something that's 1 or 2 amps. It's doing a great job, and that is the Dolb Formus Electronics charging dock for Nintendo Switch, Joy-Con, and Pro controllers. Check out the link on your screen. You can find it on Amazon, and there you go.